Guys, this is the remaining of my garden. It's actually almost done for this season. I have a little bit more kale there. Lots of eggplants. My dahlia is falling, so they're almost about done also. This is my marigold. I used to have a lot of tulips here and garlic. And let's go to the other bed. This is also eggplants. I'm sure there's more there. Yeah. And that's my peppers. This is actually my scallions. I don't know why it grew into like 4 feet tall. It used to be very tiny. And look at the roots. It looks more like a leaf now. It's huge. And that's my leftover kangkong. I have been harvesting almost every week. That's more scallions and more eggplants. And this is my ginger. It's actually almost ready to harvest. There's more eggplant there. I have a lot of kamote, and there's a lot of beets hiding under there. This is a variety bed. And more peppers and kamote, of course. And look at this one. This is my binhi for next year. And more talong hiding, lots of kamote. And this is my Malabar spinach, or what we call in the Philippines or in Pangasinan, alokbate. I'm not sure about the Tagalog of this. And they're going into seeds. As you can see, once that seeds turn into block, it's ready to harvest and put away for next year. And I have a lot of seeds everywhere, which I'm really glad. So I have a lot for next year to plant. That's my peppers, more eggplants, and definitely the tomatoes. That's about 3 tomatoes there, and that's indeterminate tomatoes. They just keep growing and growing and growing, and I don't have a trellis or stake to put so they can curl up, but they're just everywhere right now. And I just harvested some actually, because my brother Angelo and his girlfriend Caitlin are coming. There's more peppers. I harvested a lot of these peppers, and I put them in the freezer, so I have plenty to use all year round. And there's a lot more eggplants here hiding. I have probably about 6 more weeks, no, 4 more weeks for this eggplant, then they'll be done. I have more kangkong here, and this one is Vietnamese basil. Yeah, it is. I actually got that from the restaurant, Pho soup restaurant, and I just put it in the ground, and boom, it's growing. And this, there's some kangkong hiding there, and oh, I think there's a couple more. Well, I'm gonna show you my harvest, because like I said, there, that's kale, a bunch of kale. This is hold on a minute, let me go to the other side. That's, oh my god, I can't even think the name of this. And it's actually one of my favorites. Wow, let me get back to that once I remember the name. Eggplants and my tomatoes. Look at all that eggplants. Look how